I figure they just living to die. I see that crashing out all in their eyes. Them niggas hungry and they gotta try.
This is my 2004 Lexus GS300 in pearl white, and this is my build breakdown. The first thing I did was put on some 18-inch rims made by Audhon. I really like the chrome look on it. The second thing I did was restore the headlights, keep them OEM. The only thing I changed out here was the lip that I got off of eBay, and I did the color match myself. The third thing I did was change the side markers to match the headlights. My future plans for this build is to change out the tail lights, swap the engine out, do an engine swap to a 2JZ GTE, put a turbo in it. So yeah, man, this is my new baby right here, man. I got the BMW, as you can see in the back, BMW 325 Ci convertible. But yeah, this is gonna be my next project right here. Like I said, I'm gonna swap the engine out and just keep it, keep it OEM plus. I'm gonna be working on the speakers, the sound system, and everything. But yeah, stay tuned, and if anything, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
This is Jason Rigg 305. Let's go.
I figure they just living to die. I see that crashing out all in their eyes. Them niggas hungry and they gotta try. I'm aware when I'm outside. Every second is precious time.